There's my dog. Come on, Ginger. Do something. Look at me. Oh, there you are. Isn't she a cutie? Oh, look at her. She rolled over on her side. She's lazy. And look up here. There's a cat. I'm gonna go. My brother. Meow. Hello, Kilo. They're very cute and fuzzy. Oh, that's cute. Do more of that. Oh, look at it. That's just funny. Hey, what are you doing? Trying to kill my camera. Oh, my brother. Yes, I'm taping. Oh my God, what the hell is with this cat? Look at my camera. Oh, it's got its head stuck. Okay. That's pretty cool. Do you know where Chloe is? Give you any idea?
She's outside.
She's coming. Where? Outside. Yeah. We're gonna go find her. She's not there, I swear to God. I'm gonna do something.
She's not here before we started doing that. Should be around here.
Somewhere.